Hi, name's Artyom, also known as Artaka. I'm a programmer and artist. I'm working with mundane, boring, weird, and stupid type of computer behaviors, usually trying to make something do stuff it wasn't intended to do, like implementing a text editor into in-term rewriting systems or doing arithmetics in regular expressions. Sometimes making computer languages or implementing them. One of these languages is called Lambda, and that's what I'm going to show you today. First of all, that's how Lambda looks. Gonna comment it out because it destroys computers. This is a factorial function. It is defined with def. It is a function. It has a condition. And it has function applications. Notice the prefix notation. And it doesn't look like Lisp. Right. Except it is one. So first, let's check out its parser. Oh, wait. Let's run it. It does work. It does produce a number, which is surprising, but I'll get to that. So first, it copies the built-in read table, defines a bit of syntax like quoted characters, like escape strings, like square bracketed lists, like wisp, like columns for introduction of a new block, like block terminating periods also taken from wisp. And from there, it just reads list forms from the string. Nothing else. That's the whole parsing pipeline. It does some post processing, wrapping stuff, etc., but the basic principle is established. It's reading things with Lisp Reader. So much for Lisp malleability. Then, it does have some intermediate representation, having let, if, type, and lambda, and function applications, of course. And that's it for intermediate representation, because, yeah, what else do you need? You might remember at least 1.5 or something and think that, yeah, you need a Q, you need null, you need atom, except you don't, because Convert compiles to pure lambda calculus, an applicative pure lambda calculus with recursive functions compiled to the combinator, for example, the integers compiling to function compositions over initial values, whatever that means, with strings compiling to lists of characters, in this case integers, with booleans compiling to functions, and everything really compiling to functions. And that's why it is surprising that Lambda computes anything, because it's functions all the way down. Let me actually show you. This is the same file with the same standard library. It's quite big. I worked a lot on it. Check it out. And it does produce a function as its result. Not a number even, function. To get a number, we need to apply it to certain values. But we do get a number out of it. 3 million something, which I suppose is very factorial. I didn't look it up, so you have to trust me on that. But this is Lambda, my white space insensitive Lambda calculus compiler, minimal and quite stupid Lisp family programming language. So go check out Lambda repository, read my post on Lambda design, and use it for something. Because why not?